If you're a business owner in 2023, I'm going to talk about the top social media platforms you should be using to centralize your time and make sure you're not just trying every single fucking thing out there, and how to optimize your time better, get through the recession, and actually start allocating your social media efforts on the right platform. So like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and let's get right into this. So number one is you have to think about underpriced attention in your business right now. Where are you getting the most amount of views, the least amount of effort, with the least amount of time, okay? Number one is gonna be TikTok, okay? It's the most underpriced way to get views, get attention, start getting a following that you can then allocate to other platforms. TikTok is also, in my opinion, the easiest way to get your business off the ground traction-wise, and if you wanna run ads, it's the cheapest and underpriced platform right now in 2023 to get more clients, leads, and sales for your e-com store or your lead generation business, okay? It is the most underpriced thing, fucking period. If you wanna learn a platform right now, it is TikTok. If you don't know how to run TikTok, then click the first link in my bio. If you wanna get more clients, I will show you how with these platforms. Number two is YouTube, okay? I don't care what anybody says. These videos like this get me a lot of high quality attention, not massive attention, but high quality people. I get a lot of people who buy my stuff on YouTube because they watch my videos day in and day out. The algorithm's better on YouTube than it is on Instagram or LinkedIn, whatever the case may be. And I'm able to actually wean out all of the shitty people on the internet by running YouTube organic, okay? Also, it's easier to get views on YouTube than other platforms, and they're higher quality people because for it to count as a view, they actually have to watch for a certain amount of time. So YouTube for me has always just been a blue ocean. We're verified on YouTube now, as you can see there's a little check next to my name. It's just a lot more expandable right now. And we're doing multiple fan pages and all this stuff to bring more traffic to this channel. And also it funds everything else. So it's just a lot more beneficial for me. I also have clients in multiple different niches and verticals who run YouTube organic and are fucking crushing it. I have a mortgage lender who did $150 million 3 years ago. We work with her. She's doing over $400 million a year in mortgage lending, not in revenue, but in actual mortgages lended because of what we're doing with her YouTube channel. She's getting over 100 something subs a day. She is fucking crushing it, okay? YouTube is very underpriced as well. Third is gonna be Instagram. I know Instagram organic is dead for a lot of people, but people still fucking use it, and Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts and TikTok are probably the three best platforms for posting video content right now. Instagram Reels still has expansion. You get a lot of underpriced views if you have the right content, if you give them a lot of value, hit the right hashtags, and you have the right search terms, okay? Instagram Reels is still very viable. Instagram feed and pictures though, that's fucking dead, okay? Don't focus your attention on that. Just focus on Reels right now if you're on Instagram. And then also if you wanna get into engagement groups, that's another great way to grow. There's a bunch of companies out there who host engagement groups where people will like and comment on your posts to help you boost your Reels. That is very important as well. And the last platform that you should be caring about right now is LinkedIn, okay? People have been talking about this the past 2 years. You might not be on it yet. That's your fucking fault. But LinkedIn is a great way for you to find very, very high ticket clients. That's how I found one of my clients who has already paid me over $162,800. You can find that video as well on my channel and the whole story behind that. But like, LinkedIn is a huge blue ocean if you're willing to put out your content. I would cross-platform it from YouTube. So all your YouTube videos that are nicely edited, get a lot of views, move that over to LinkedIn, and you should see like results. LinkedIn is also just very more professional. There's more high quality people on LinkedIn than Instagram. Obviously, Instagram has a lot of fucking kids. LinkedIn just more high quality if you are in the service provider or coach consultant niche, or you're in the JV niche or angel investments and stuff like that. That's very high ticket. LinkedIn is going to be for you. So those are the 4 biggest platforms that I would be focusing on right now if I'm a business owner. I hope you guys enjoyed that breakdown. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe, and comment any question down below that you have about these platforms and what you should be doing in X, Y, and Z. And I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.